Who says you can't make hot chocolate using chocolate milk? Let's make it. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I share my family's favorite recipes, short how-to-cook videos, and my kids' favorite school lunch ideas. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together twice a week. There's no reason why you can't use chocolate milk to make hot chocolate. It already has sugar and cocoa in it. The advantage of having the slow cooker ready is so you can pour in the chocolate milk and have it ready for the kids to serve themselves. There are some helpful tips that I'll share with you throughout this short video. So here's how you make it. Let's pour the chocolate milk directly inside of the bowl of my slow cooker. Now this hot chocolate is going to take about an hour to get hot in here. I'm pouring it in cold. You can keep it heated through for 2 to 3 hours on low or about 45 minutes to an hour on high. There's no mixing or stirring. All you need to do is put on the lid and let it heat up until you're ready to serve it. If you don't have 45 minutes to an hour for the slow cooker to heat up the milk, you can also microwave it, make it hot, and pour it in the slow cooker so it's practically heated and ready to be served. Something I found really helpful for serving hot chocolate right out of a slow cooker is to find a ladle that has a spout so that it pours into your mug really easily. By the way, if you find tips like that one helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them for you on my channel. Guys, this hot chocolate is ready to be served. It's nice and warm. You can keep it on that warm setting for a few hours while you entertain. The kids are running around, do what you gotta do. And what's great about it is that it's a literally no stir. You don't have to come back and check on it. I'm gonna take my ladle and give it a quick mix so you can see it's nice and warm, like hot chocolate. Now you could take the marshmallows and put them right on top of our hot chocolate, close the lid, and in 10 minutes it'll be gooey and melty. But today, just to show you, I'm going to take the hot chocolate and pour it right into my mug. Then you can top it with mini marshmallows or big marshmallows, a few chocolate chips. By the way, the recipes to the hot cocoa made with cocoa powder and the hot cocoa made with chocolate chips can also be found below this video in my other videos. See you next time.